Des fidèles hindous célébrant la fête de Cette, Puja dans des eaux recouvertes de mousse, ces images ont été prises à New Delhi, en Inde. Cette rivière, c'est la Yamuna, un affluent du Gange. Et comme le Gange, la Yamuna est un des fleuves les plus sacrés du pays, mais aussi l'un des plus pollués au monde. Depuis plus de 4 ans, Pankaj Kumar, alias Earth Warrior, guerrier de la Terre en français, alerte sur ce problème récurrent via ses réseaux sociaux.
But the problem in Delhi that most of the water does not get treated and treatment plants are not working properly. So you are seeing that much pollution. When we are washing our clothes, that water from our home goes to the drain, from drain to Yamuna river, and that is making the foam. With that, the dyeing industry, the industry which are making the clothes, millions of liter water they are letting without treated, they are letting that flow in Yamuna.
ये देखेंगे आप, ये जो है ना रेड कलर का आपको दिखेगा, ये यहाँ पे ये कोने कोने में रेड कलर का देखेंगे। ये जो आप रेड देख रहे हैं, ये एक्चुअली में जो डाइंग इंडस्ट्री होती है ना, जो कपड़ों को कलर करती है, कपड़ों को पेंट करती है।
Cette pollution est aggravée par un manque d'eau dans le lit du fleuve. En cause, le prélèvement de cette eau pour l'irrigation, l'industrie ou pour alimenter les 30 millions d'habitants de New Delhi.
Yamuna river is considered that from Vajirabad Dam to Etawah. What is happening from Vajirabad Dam to Etawah, there is no river water, that is only the drain water. If you go to the Yamuna, okay, after Delhi, there is no aquatic life in water. Nothing can survive. And recently the news is coming, okay, that ammonia level in Yamuna is too high. The accepted ammonia level in water is 0.5 ppm. Right now, Delhi, Yamuna ammonia level is more than 5 ppm. The people who has like a economically well established, not facing problem, but the people who are economically not well, they are suffering from water because they rely on the water tanks, and the Yamuna is polluted, so water tanks are not coming. People who live near Yamuna river, their skins are burned and they are suffering numbers of diseases. People are so much devoted towards Yamuna and Ganga that they risk their life to go and bath in the Yamuna and Ganga, because we pray river. And that's why we go into it. We see that this is Mata, this is our mother, they will not harm us. So that are affecting animals, humans and your land. That is also polluting our land, because the farmers which are relying on the Yamuna river water for their irrigation, okay, so they are using those water, and those chemical water are being used for agriculture purpose.
En novembre 2021, le chef du gouvernement de Delhi s'est engagé à nettoyer la Yamuna d'ici 2025 et à se baigner lui-même dans la rivière. Mais selon notre observateur, il est peu probable qu'il tienne sa promesse.